Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we'll learn applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry exercise 12.1. In that today we'll see how to solve fifth one. Okay. So first we'll write the problem. You want to erect a pole. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of three ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Okay, this is the problem. So now we will see how to solve this problem. Okay, what is said? You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters. So one pole we need to erect. Erect means we have to make to stand. Okay, we need to make to stand the pole like this. This is height how much given? 10 meters with the support of three ropes. So the given three ropes, each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees. Angle is 30 degrees. So three ropes no need to draw. Why? Because each rope is making the same angle only, same angle. So that without drawing three ropes, you can draw one rope, it is enough. So this pole is standing because of this rope. See here, this is the rope like this. To the ground they mark it like this. This pole is standing because of this rope only. Okay, so each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. This is rope only, rope. This is the pole. Rope should be make 30 degrees angle with the pole. Rope should be make 30 degrees angle with the pole. That means angle will be here 30 degrees. This is very important. Don't mark here. This is 90 degrees. See here, each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. So rope and pole, in between this angle should be 30 degrees. That is the meaning. What should be the length of the rope? So this is the length. This rope length we need to find. Let us give the name A, B, C. Okay. Yes. Now observe here. If you want to find this, so which ratio we can apply? Which ratio? We can apply cos 30. Cos 30 degrees. What is the okay? Cos theta formula I write first. Cos theta formula is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Theta means what here? 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees equals to adjacent. If theta is here, adjacent is this one. Adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So AC only we need to find the answer now. Cos 30 answer is what? Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equals to BC. BC is 10 right here. AC as it is right. AC is nothing but length of the pole or length of the rope. Okay. Do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. AC into root 3 equals to 10 into 2. AC equals to 20 by root 3. That's all, no? 10 into 2, 20, root 3 multiplication, right hand side division. Okay, that is equals to 20 by root 3. So in the denominator we have irrational number. You make it rational number. Then how to do? What to do? In the denominator we have irrational number. Root 3 is irrational number. We have to make that irrational number as rational number. So that what we have to do? We have to do rationalization. We have to do rationalization. That means multiply with root 3 and divide with root 3. This becomes 20 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 square, whole square, square root square cancel. Then you will get 20 root 3 by 3. 20 root 3 by 3. That is nothing but 20 into root 3 answer 1.732 by 3. Next, 20 into 1.732 you have to multiply. 20 into 1.732 we have to multiply. We will get answer like this, 34.64 by 3. So if you simplify this, answer will be 11.55 meters. That's it. So this is the problem. Read the problem according to this given information, drawing the diagram, then applying the suitable ratio. I applied cost ratio here. Cost ratio you applied and we simplified step by step. Finally we got what answer we got? AC answer we got. AC answer 11.55. This is AC 11.55. So finally we can write like this. Therefore length of rope equals to 11.55 meters. That's it. This is length of rope. Okay, thank you.